Yes, guys, here's a full day of eating on a bulk. So a couple nights ago, I had this massive meal right before going to sleep, and let me tell you, my sleep was the worst it's ever been. I was so full, I was so bloated, and even the next day, I was not hungry at all. So since then, I've really tried to make sure to eat most of my calories earlier on in the day, and especially around my workout window, so I don't fall in the same situation where I've only eaten like 1,000 calories, and then I need to end the night with like a big, massive meal of like 2,000 calories. So definitely, if you are bulking right now as well, and you need to eat a lot of food, try to get at least most of your calories down earlier on in the day so you don't end up having to eat like this massive meal right before going to sleep. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I ate today.